Okay, so you're going to log into your dashboard, go to plugins. You're going to hit add new. And you're going to type in SiteKit. SiteKit by Google Analytics, Search Console, AdSense, and Speed. Go ahead and install that. It's the one with the big G. It is installed and activate it. Once it is activated, it is going to prompt you to proceed with setting up SiteKit. Please do so by clicking Start Setup. You will then be prompted to log into your Google account. If you do not have a Google account, please create one and then come back and repeat these same steps so that you can sign in. So let's go ahead and sign in with Google. And I'm going to choose my Plus Public account. It may prompt you. Make sure that SiteKit has additional access to your Google account. You're going to want to respond affirmatively, so choose Continue. Verify site ownership. So it's asking you to add a verification token to your site. Let's go ahead and proceed with doing that. Okay, it's a little slow at the moment. Let's try it again. There we go. Okay, so that's been approved. Let's go ahead and set up the site in the Search Console by hitting Add Site. And we're good to go. You've set up SiteKit. So let's go to the dashboard. And you will see that you're connected to the Search Console. You need to connect to Analytics and you need to connect to Page Speed Insights. So we're going to go ahead and click on Connect Service to Google Analytics. It will prompt you again to choose your Google account. Go ahead and respond with Continue. Okay, so it is automating this. And you may not see anything here. So you're going to hit Set up a new account. Make sure that your name is good here. You've got the property, all website data. United States is your country. Your time zone is set to New York time. Okay. This is going to create a Google Analytics 4 and a Universal Analytics property. Let's go ahead and hit Create Account. And SiteKit is going to automate all of this for you. So choose your Google account again. One more time. And let's just check, create a new Google Analytics account along with its default property and view. So check that, hit Continue. And then you'll need to accept the terms of service. So check this box, I accept, and then also down here at the bottom left, and you're good to go. Your analytics account was created. Go ahead and go to my dashboard. And you should see that that is connected. Fantastic. All right. So once you're here, you can click on Search Console and see what's going on there yet. Your site's brand new, so there's no activity. Your account was just created, so nothing's happening. And the same thing with analytics, okay? You can check all of the previous days or months that you've got analytics set up for, so you can see the historical timeline of your site. You can see that they are connected here. You can choose to connect more services if you like. And admin settings, this is pretty basic, all right? So all I need from you is for you to essentially get a screen capture of your website. Just take a screen capture like so. make sure that your web address is seen in the browser. Go ahead and save this file. And then upload it, and that's it. If you can do that, you get 20 points. If it doesn't work, then you've got other challenges to address. So let me know if you have problems, but this is a pretty easy exercise, but there's a fundamental and critical exercise related to the success of your website.